Hello and welcome to Secomart channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your elder leakage sensor with the elder alarm main hub. In this case, first of all, you need to insert the batteries in and make sure that the power switch is on, and then we can start pairing our leakage sensor. To pair the leakage sensor, you need to insert the menu, then an accessory section. You need to type in your password, and then we want to add a sensor. For the leakage sensor, you can use the general you can categorize the leakage sensor as a general sensor, and you can modify in which mode you want a sensor be operating. Our recommendation is always to have your leakage sensor activated in both away and home, or you can make it as always if you want to be the leakage sensor operating in, even if the system is disarmed, you can change that mode to always. So no matter you disarm your system or the system is armed, the leakage sensor will do its job. So I'll use always because I want to know if even if my alarm system is not armed, if there is a leakage in the washroom, I want to know. So I'm going to choose the mode as always. So I don't need any alarm delay because it's it has been set on always, so I don't need an alarm delay. To rename the sensor, you can do it by your mobile app. Then we can simply press on pair, and to send the trigger pulse to the main hub, you can either touch these two pins in the sensor, or you can just pour some water here, and then the sensor will be connected to the main hub. This was pretty much about how to connect the leakage sensor. If you have any more question, please feel free to contact Secomart customer service. Thank you for watching.